So on this short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook login problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just scroll until you find Facebook, click on it and then click on force stop and go down here, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back again and then click on the power usage details. Make sure to enable the power consumption alert right here and go down. You will find this force stop option, click on it and then go back to the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode here and enable it for 10 seconds and disable it again. And then all what you want to do is make sure to update your Facebook into the latest version in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.